Good morning. It's my morning walks, early morning walks. So I encourage you to go out a lot in nature because that's where you see signs. If you are manifesting something and you ask God for signs, I don't. You can somehow see it inside the house, but you can mostly see it outside of the house. When I manifested that I see signs like a crow going to southeast. It's very specific. As I shared, I think I already shared this, but I will share it again. Um, I saw two crows going to the west. Oh, I was like, oh, they are going to the west. And then there was one crow who followed, and then it was going to the west, and then it suddenly turned southeast. So I was so happy because, oh, that's the sign I was asking for. So you wouldn't see that inside the house, but there can be signs inside the house too. But there are a lot of signs outside. So just this morning when I was walking, a feather, just I took a picture of it, just fell down just so near me. So that's also a sign. So you can Google the meanings of the sign, or you can go to ChatGPT to search for it. Um, so there are always signs. If you want me to share, because I write down on my notebook, on my manifestation notebook, all about signs. So if you want me to share that, you can comment signs below, and I will share it. I will share them with you. Okay. Good morning, and God bless everyone.